Hi there! Today I am going to do another unboxing. I only have 2 products. There's a little thing here and a box. This one I bought in Shopee and the other one through Lazada. So let's start with the small one. Well, this one comes from overseas and it cost 154 pesos. So let's open it. Okay. This guys is a tula. Ano to? So, dati hindi na ako nahilig ng ganito. So, just recently, nahilig na naman ako because I see a lot of fancy cases. That's why I ordered and okay, it's a cell phone case. It's a cell phone case and my favorite character is Snoopy. Okay, and it also comes with a tawag ito, pop-up something. Yan. So ilalagay mo lang siya dito or here. So kahit saan mo gusto ilagay. Ako usually guys, nilalagay ko siya dito kasi maliit lang yung kamay ko. So kung gagamit ka ng phone, ay iba pala to. Ganito siya guys. Hindi siya katulad ng usual na pop. At ang tawag doon, ganito siya. Pwede mo siyang ganito. Okay, so pwede mo siyang i-slide papunta doon. And then you can slide papunta here. Okay. So, ayan. Ang ganda niya. Ang ganda ng ganda. It doesn't look like cheap yung pagkagawa. Hindi siya. It's embossed guys. Embossed. So this cost 154 pesos only. And meron na akong credit card. Okay, and then the next one from Lazada. So buksan natin. Ingat na ingat ako dito. Hindi pa fully bukas. So, dumating ito 3 days ago. Wala lang yung time na ano. Hindi ko siya agad binuksan. I hope okay siya. Ayan. This, guys, is a beauty mask. Okay, so, what kind of beauty mask? Let's open it. Bukasan ito. This is a skincare. Okay. Ganda ng lagayan niya. Meron siyang pouch. And it's a satin pouch. Okay. So, meron siyang user's manual, instruction manual, whatever you call it. Okay. So, ang tawag dito guys is Spectral Skin Rejuvenation Mask. So, andito yung using method. Okay, meron din siyang warranty card. But it's not a card, it's a paper. Okay. So, ayan. Nandito yung mga instruction, product features na ito. Okay, so ito dahil niya. Alright, so let's open to know what's inside. Alright. Tcharam! Look at that. Oh, kasya ta, kasya. Well, guys, nasan kayo? Hindi ko na kayo makita. Ano to? Paano bang ano? Chikuwaki. Alright. Okay, kasya naman sa akin. So, it's good. Okay, so this guys is a skincare tool. Okay. So, meron siya. Pakita ko sa isa kung anong meron sa loob. Ayan. So, these are LED lights. Okay. So, meron siyang saksak. So, ito yung saksakan niya, guys. Okay, micro USB. So, isasaksak niyo siya. Ayan, ito. Dito yung isasaksak. And then, you can use it. So, you need a adapter. Yung red light, guys, can eliminate wrinkles, activates the collagen production, and revitalize the skin. While the blue light, this is for eliminating the acne bacteria. So the orange light can improve the alternating function of cell oxygen, improve microcirculation, dilute pigment, reduce skin roughness, and pore circulation. So lahat yung functions ng mask na to is promote skin to produce collagen, make skin more bright and translucent, reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and then tightens pores, improve skin brightness, and make skin glossy. It dilutes freckles and red blood cells, accelerate the improvement of skin, and achieve better skin repair after sunburn. Okay, so yung mga sunburn, okay din itong gamitin. Provide skin cells with activation energy, accelerate the metabolism of the skin, and keep the skin as supple as babies. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell for more videos to come. This has been Ryce DG. I will see you on my next one. Bye!